Welcome to our deep dive into Google Glass 3, the latest iteration of this groundbreaking wearable technology. In this video, we'll explore the innovative features that set Google Glass 3 apart from its predecessors and how it's reshaping the landscape of augmented reality. We'll discuss its applications in various fields, from healthcare to education, and how it enhances productivity and connectivity. For tech enthusiasts, understanding these advancements is crucial, as they not only reflect the current trends but also hint at the future of wearable devices. Join us as we unpack the significance of Google Glass 3 and why staying informed about such innovations is essential in our rapidly evolving tech world. Get ready for an engaging and informative journey into the future of wearables. Overview of Google Glass 3. Google Glass 3 brings significant hardware improvements and design changes that elevate the user experience. With a sleeker, more ergonomic design, it offers enhanced comfort for extended wear. The upgraded display boasts higher resolution and brightness, ensuring clarity in various lighting conditions. On the software side, the user interface has been refined for intuitive navigation, featuring voice commands and gesture controls that make interaction seamless. Targeted primarily at professionals in fields like healthcare, manufacturing, and education, Google Glass 3 is designed to facilitate hands-free access to information and real-time collaboration. Potential use cases include remote assistance for technicians, surgical overlays for doctors, and immersive training experiences for students. This combination of advanced hardware and software positions Google Glass 3 as a powerful tool in the wearable technology landscape. Hands-on experience. In my hands-on experience with Google Glass 3, the initial setup process was surprisingly straightforward. After a quick pairing with my smartphone, I was ready to explore its features in no time. The user interface felt intuitive, making navigation a breeze. When it came to comfort, I found the design to be sleek and lightweight, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. The adjustable frame ensured a snug fit, which is essential for daily use. One standout feature during my testing was the enhanced voice recognition, which accurately responded to commands even in noisy environments. Additionally, the augmented reality overlays were impressive, providing real-time information that seamlessly integrated into my field of vision. Overall, my experience with Google Glass 3 was both engaging and enlightening, showcasing its potential in everyday applications. Comparative analysis. When comparing Google Glass 3 to its predecessors, several key differences emerge. The latest model features a more refined design, improved display resolution, and enhanced battery life, addressing many of the criticisms aimed at earlier versions. Unlike the original Google Glass, which struggled with comfort and usability, the third iteration offers a more ergonomic fit and intuitive interface. In the broader wearable market, Google Glass 3 competes with devices like Microsoft HoloLens and various smart glasses from other brands. While HoloLens focuses heavily on enterprise applications, Google Glass 3 strikes a balance between professional use and everyday functionality. Technological advancements, such as superior voice recognition and augmented reality capabilities, significantly enhance the user experience, making Google Glass 3 a compelling option for both professionals and tech enthusiasts looking for innovative wearable solutions. Future implications. Google Glass 3 has the potential to significantly influence the future of wearable designs by setting a new standard for functionality and aesthetics. As augmented reality becomes more integrated into daily life, we can expect to see a surge in smart glasses that prioritize user experience while offering practical applications. This integration could revolutionize industries such as healthcare, where surgeons might use AR overlays for enhanced precision during operations, or education, where students could engage with interactive learning materials in real time. In the entertainment sector, imagine immersive experiences that blend gaming with the real world, allowing users to interact with digital content seamlessly. As Google Glass 3 paves the way for these advancements, it could inspire a new wave of wearables that not only enhance productivity but also enrich our everyday experiences, making technology an integral part of our lives. Conclusion. In summary, Google Glass 3 represents a significant leap forward in wearable technology, showcasing impressive features such as enhanced display quality, improved voice recognition, and a more comfortable design. Its potential impact on industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment highlights the transformative power of augmented reality in our daily lives. As we've explored, This device not only sets a new standard for smart glasses but also opens the door for future innovations in wearables. If you found this video insightful, be sure to subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. We'd love for you to like and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to explore our related content for a deeper dive into the world of technology. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates.